So yeah, the electricity just went off. It just took off, man. It just took off and went to Brazil in the middle of me like trying to be productive, trying to go back to my night sessions and all that stuff in the middle of something like that, bro. You know, can you imagine? And around 7, I have to have a session with the mentor. No electricity, no router, no anything. No access to the internet right now. As you can see, I was learning here. Sen was learning, dog. I just bypassed like something that has been conflicting me for quite some time, which is getting to the keyword planner. You understand? Getting to the keyword planner without like being told or being forced to create an ad first right before you could use something like this. You have. So yeah, man. I have been struggling with something like that, and I couldn't find my account each and every time I wanted to plan for a keyword and all that. You have. So yeah, man. In the midst of me trying to be productive, dog, after fighting like a lot of fights in my head, saying I need to be productive, I have to stop procrastinating, I have to start being uh my own worst enemy. I had conversations with that. I had a conversation like that with myself. Those kind of conversations. The way happening in my head. I was just like being productive with each and everything right here, bro. Uh, just understanding different types of things about Google and all that. Uh, okay, focus. Does Google Ads need a pixel also? You understand? I just wanted to understand something like that, and then uh I got the research and understood it and everything that actually we do need something like that. And it didn't make sense for me like to think that TikTok or Facebook needs a pixel, needs for you to create a pixel, but Google doesn't need a pixel. It doesn't make sense. And so it makes no total sense. So I just had to research about it and then I found something about it. And I found that uh, actually there is something that is as similar as uh, metapixels and all that, but on Google, it's not referred to as pixels or Google pixels and all that. It's referred to as Google tags. You understand? It has different types of names to it, but yeah, I prefer the Google tags for like it's memorable, man. It's much more easier for me to grasp and remember it in the long run. So yeah, man. Here I was just making a small Nyana example just to test if I don't mind my camera. I know it's blurry, but I just did something here just to test if each and everything like I just did each and everything just to test if uh do I have actually access to this thing? Do I have actually access to this thing, bro? Send this keyword planner thingy, so I just have to go back in my footsteps, and trace my footstep and check my I don't know if it's track or trace, but I think let me let me use track. I just need to go back and check my footsteps and just to see what did I do to actually do something like this. So yeah, man. Uh, yeah, that's pretty much it, man. So I just need to do something like that just to track each and everything. And I saw in the group, in the Slack group, there are quite a lot of people who were quarreling with this problem, saying very conflicted, puzzled by it. So yeah, man, I need to also draw the solution after tracking each and everything. So yeah, man. Yeah, yeah. In the midst of me trying to be productive, in the midst of me trying to erase these things, the I don't know if it's eradicate or some shit. In the midst of me trying to delete or expunge this idea of me not working in the afternoon and all that, like procrastinating and scrolling and doing all of this stupid shit, doom scrolling, messaging people and watching other people's statuses, like uh, looking at how people are moving in their lives, all of that stupid shit, bro. You have in the midst of me trying to erase something like that in my life and trying to work on this new habits of me going back to like minor decisions and all that. You have because the reason why I say it is a new habit, it's because I had previously like substituted it with the habits of scrolling and doing stupid shit and not working. You have and spending time with the family. You'd find that in most cases I didn't spend time with the family and all that. You'd find me on my phone and doing stupid shit. I only spent a few hours with the family. I only used like 2 days. Uh, there was only 2 days when I spent time with the family and all that stuff. So 2 or 3 days or some shit, and then the whole fucking entire week, bro, I have been procrastinating, like watching doom scrolling, like watching stupid videos. Also, not even watching something that is related to media buying, stuff. So I just, bro, ish, so ish. Yeah, man. So that's pretty much it, man. Let me try and go back. Let me try and go back to each and everything. Okay, okay, actually, I'm in my mind, man. I'm very conflicted right now. I'm trying to figure out different types of things, but yeah, man, I'm conflicted by a lot of things when I'm stressed because right now it's 7 p.m. right now, and what I should be doing, I should be in a session with the mentor, with my mentor and all that, but I cannot just because of how the stupid electricity or load shedding thing he has transpired and all that stuff. It's just so fucking stupid, dog. But yeah, I think that's the reality of where I'm living. That's the reality of each and everything. These are the type of things that we cannot control that can stand as impediments in our own fucking journey. You understand? They can stand its biggest barricade in our own journey. So we just have to, yeah, welcome them, dog, as part of each and everything that is gonna impede us from moving forward. So yeah, that's pretty much it, man. That's pretty much it, bro. I don't even have much to say, bro. I'm just mentally exhausted by each and everything that has just transpired and all that stuff. At the peak of my focus, at the peak, I was about to reach the pinnacle of my focus, but fuck it, bro. I just stumbled upon this hurdle, man. This hurdle, man, of like being impeded by this electricity or load shedding thingy to not move forward and all that stuff. So yeah, my English is improving, gradually. Gradually, those gradual increments are very important. So yeah, man, that's pretty much it, bro. That's pretty much it, man. So yeah, 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 yeah. The one problem I'm gonna have is uh I'm visiting some relatives. And for course, not for long, for this weekend and all that. And one, I don't think there's a router there. No, there is a router, but I don't know if it's like the subscription is paid or some shit. I don't know if it has a subscription or some shit. It have but like the monthly payment, I don't know if it's made or something. It have, and I don't even have cash to even like make something for them just for me to be productive in my time and each and everything. You know, uh, I don't know, bro. It have I'm gonna rely on having data. I don't even have cash for that, bro. Like I only have like negative 50 something on my bank account. You understand? Like negative 50 something, dog. It's a crazy It's withdrawn. Yeah? No, it's withdrawn. Some shit. I don't remember. But yeah, man. Broke as fuck. Broke. So I don't know, man. I'm gonna have to rely on data, you know. I'm gonna have to rely on data. So I have to get money for data. And I don't know if the network is gonna work. And the one thing that I know, dog, is that this thing consumes data. Bruh, this whole studying thingy, I have to watch different types of videos. If maybe I'm quarreled, maybe I'm not quarreled, man. That's not the right word. Maybe if I'm conflicted by something, I have to go to YouTube, and if that confliction doesn't like if I don't find the solution to that confliction, you'd find that I'm gonna have to watch another video. That's another 300 megabytes of an hour video or 30 minutes video minimum. Okay, minimum maybe it's about 15 to 20 minutes and all. That's minimum. And then like can go up to 40 minutes, 50 minutes. That's 400, 500 megabytes of data, dog. Like, it's crazy, dog. And send it's better if you have a router and all that you have. So this weekend, dog. I don't know. Like like starting from like I mean from Saturday, because I think I'm thinking of coming back around Sunday. Around Sunday, yeah, around like midday Sunday. So yeah, I'm thinking of doing something like that, but only if they don't suggest things like we should go to church. I hate church, but yeah, man. Yeah, that's pretty much it, man. So yeah, man. Let me close the video and go and take a bath. There's nothing I can do. Let me just go out to like, yeah. I don't know what I'll do. I don't know if I should like be starting this, going through each and everything here, or I should go out, Doug. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But I'm thinking. I think the best thing I can do is just to go back, like just to re-study each and everything that I wrote here. Stuff. So yeah, 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 man. Uh, yeah, yeah.